Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my classroom. So in today's video, I'm gonna show to you a very fun activity that you can do with your students as well. So this is called the Gingerbread House Making activity. My students decorated the gingerbread house with different sweet treats. So if you want to watch how they were able to do this activity and to see their finished product, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
The halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the